Okay, I paid 26 euros. I'm going up to the Eiffel Tower by stairs to the first and second floor, and then by elevator to the very top. So maybe I should put the camera on this side. Oh my god, so you can see me struggling. Walking up. I hope I don't fall. Oh my god, how long is this gonna take? I'm gonna try to shoot real time. How long is it gonna take me? Oh man. Okay, how many floors is that now? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I think I need to rest. I think the other side has a better view. Okay, not that far. I think I vlogged it too back in 2016 when Tommy and Edward and I came to Paris and we took the stairs. I think it was like 10 to 15 minutes to go. But look, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna show. That's the line just to buy the ticket, and then there's a separate line to go up the elevator to the first floor. And my mic is not on. Okay, I turn on my microphone, so hopefully it's gonna sound better. So when I really need this dead cat for the wind for the wind noise reduction. But look, that's where they had the Olympics. I think the volleyball or something in there. Okay. Man, how much more? Jesus. Look, the view is fabulous. It's stunning and magnificent. Look at that. And I'm just like buying time right now. I'm doing this so I can rest. My gosh. Okay, we're near. I have to point the camera down so that won't look dark. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. How much more? Jesus. Wait, it's only been 4 minutes? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's only been 4 minutes of me going up. And I'm here trying to catch my breath. Oh my gosh. And I bet it's gonna be really cold up there at the very top. Oh my god. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Okay. We're getting near. Almost there. Okay. It's getting dark. It means we're getting close. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Last step. Oh shit. Okay, I made it to the first floor. Here it is. First floor. Oh my god. But look at the view. It's fabulous. Look. Oh shit. Let's go. Okay. I'm just gonna show this. So that's what they had. Some of the games right there. And I'm gonna walk around. Oh wait. So it took like 5 or 6 minutes to go up to the first floor. So, Daryl, if you're watching, are you gonna go up the stairs and not wait in line? Or are you gonna take the elevator and wait in a long line to go buy the ticket and then wait in another long line to use the elevator to go to the first floor? So there's a Montparnasse tower. It's like the ugly ass tower that they built right in the middle of Paris, and the people didn't like it. But they have an observation deck at the top. I went up there. And here you can use a telescope or whatever. It's €1. Is it what? Oh, it's what is it? €1 or €2? Okay. So look at that. Oh my god, the thing is shaking because it's so windy and it's so cold. I'm gonna get even more sick. My gosh. Why did I come here today when I'm sick? Oh, it says do not pass anything through the grills, such as like cameras and phones and selfie sticks and food and stuff. So I'm not gonna do that. So the thing at the very top, that's the Sacré-Cœur. I think it's a church or a basilica or whatever. And let's see what else. And I forgot what the name is of that dome with the gold dome. Okay, my right hand is getting really cold. I think I might have to switch, or I need to buy like gloves. Oh, what is this?
Back in the day, it was part of a very important palace that is now famously known as Louvre Museum. So the wall that you guys see right behind all of the streets is the outer wall of Louvre Museum. Louvre Museum currently is the second largest museum in the whole world. Dated acquisition of public site, 26 kilometers, 16 miles inside.
Wow, you say the Louvre is the second largest museum in the world, and it will take you like 26 miles to walk all the way around the Louvre Museum. Okay, and there's a Trocadero right there. That's where I was, like, when I arrived here at the Eiffel Tower. I took the Trocadero subway station. And then that's where I peed, right there in that first boat. So the toilet is actually not in a building. It's actually in one of the boats, which is that first boat right there. So the buildings look really stunning. See? They're all uniform, but not the same. Something like that. It's what makes a city beautiful. And most of them, they only go up to the 5th floor, with the 6th floor as the attic. And that's because that's the highest that you can build, where you don't need an elevator, because you can just use the stairs, because back then they didn't have any stairs. Oh, and there's the Olympic rings right there. Oh, and there's what do you call it? Is it in oh shoot, it's like where they have all the high-rise buildings. Shoot, I forgot the name. Oh man. Okay, I'll just keep going. But yeah, when I went there, like, they actually had Chipotle, so maybe I'll check it out again and see if they have Chipotle still, or maybe they have Chipotle like around here in Paris. Okay, I think this is where I started, right here. Yeah, it's like that's the stairs where I came from. So now I'm gonna. Like, I want to walk around this first floor, like the inside part of it. Oh, they have toilet, so hopefully it's free. So I'm gonna try to go in there. Okay, so I'm not gonna use the bathroom yet. So the inside right here is where they have the glass floor. So I'm gonna try to walk in there. And look, you can see down, and I'm not scared. And am I scared too? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm a little scared. Oh my shit. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. It feels like my stomach is like it's gonna fall down while I'm walking here. Shit. Oh my god, it's scary. Ah, man. Okay, so I'm gonna try to walk around. It's really scary. Okay, so I'm just gonna step on the metal part because it's scary. Oh shit. Oh my god, now I can't move. I'm stuck. Oh my god. Okay, it's scary, but look, see, there's the line to buy the ticket, and then there's the line to use the elevator, and then there's another line to use the elevator from the first floor to the second floor. Oh, and they have like this, what do you call it? Like refreshments and cocktails and stuff. Mocktails. So it looks cool right there. And let's see, where's the stairs to go up? Yeah, I think it's right here. So it's like stairs to go up. So I have to go up to the second floor. Okay, I'm gonna try to walk here. Okay, I have to readjust my camera so I can actually point down so you can see my shoes. Okay, so I'm just gonna step right here because I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm scared now, and I wasn't scared when I was walking on the London Bridge because this is really scary. Shit. Oh my god. Okay, that was scary. There's not that many people walking on the glass because they're scared. So I'm pretty sure it's pretty thick because they're not telling us to, like, you know, take our shoes off or empty our pockets in case something drops. But there. Oh, and here's more. And then there's like the second floor. That's where I'm going. So I think this is the line. Oh, what is this line for? Is this line for the restaurant or is the line? Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not looking. There, I did it. Wait, is that the line for the toilet?
看来他们和好了。
Oh, it's the line for the restaurant. I thought it was the line for the. I thought it was the line for the elevator. Okay. And see, I'm like right here again. I'm just standing on the metal part. Like, I'm too scared to walk on the glass. Okay, now gotta walk here again. Oh my god. Okay, this is much scarier than the one in London. The Tower Bridge. Okay, so I guess this is the line for the elevator. Okay, I'll just go up the stairs. Right. Okay, I'm now at the gift shop. I use the toilet because, you know, at my age, I'm 53, I have to use the bathroom. I have to go pee like every 30 minutes or so because I think I have an enlarged prostate. So, yeah, TMI. But that's why. So this one's pretty cool. It lights up and it's 75 euros. And then they have these cute Paris teddy bears. You can see they have the beret or whatever you call it, and then the Breton t-shirt and Paris friends. It's so cute. Oh. And then here in the cafe or whatever, what is this place? Oh, the bistro. Look, they have these macarons with the Eiffel Tower, I guess. Yeah, the Eiffel Tower writing on it. And oh, okay, here's the price right here. So for 8, it is 28. What? That's expensive. And then each one is like 3 euros. Okay, I'm gonna look for the stairs so I can go up to the second floor. I think I'm done exploring the first floor. And here's more right here. I think there's so there's like the stairs. I see people like walking up there.